From 3D printing to digital twins, technology is revolutionizing the way the construction industry operates throughout the Middle East. This is not surprising given the region's digital dominance, as it has been a hub for some of the most exciting and innovative projects in the construction industry globally. With the construction industry in the Middle East on a phenomenal upward trajectory, let's take a look at 5 of the mega projects said to make the most significant impact in the Middle East. Number 5. Museum of the Future, Dubai. Opened in February 2022. The Museum of the Future in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, is one of the most complex structures ever built. The dynamic and impressive landmark in Dubai's heart comprises 3 main parts: the Green Hill, the Building, and the Void. The striking 78-meter-high structure consists of 7 floors within a torus-shaped shell sitting on a 3-story podium. The building facade is clad in stainless steel, achieving LEED Platinum status, and designed holistically through BIM at every design stage. The building also depicts flowing Arabic calligraphy forming poems that describe the vision for Dubai's future. The museum's innovative look has set it apart as a showcase for future technology building design. Number 4. NEOM, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The flagship project of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. NEOM is a planned $500 billion high-tech city on the country's northwest coast, situated at the crossroads of the world. The city will span 26,500 km and is strategically placed east of Egypt, south of Jordan, and extends 460 kilometers along the coast of the Red Sea, dedicated to future technologies across 16 sectors including food, manufacturing, and technology. NEOM will introduce a new model for living, focusing on nature and creating a sustainable, livable, and walkable city. NEOM will be powered by 100% renewable energy and become a tourist and innovation hub. At the center of the city's design is the Line. It's a 170 kilometers belt of hyper-connected future communities without cars and roads and built around nature. This revolution in urban living at NEOM is desired to become a blueprint for how people and the planet can coexist in harmony. Number 3. Guggenheim Abu Dhabi. The Guggenheim Museum in Abu Dhabi will open in 2025. Located in the heart of the Saadiyat Cultural District, the museum is a collaboration between the Department of Culture and Tourism, Abu Dhabi, and the Solomon R. Guggenheim Foundation. The 42 SQM building will become the largest of the 4 Guggenheim museums globally. The design of the building is an experiment in inventive 21st-century museum design and will comprise a cluster of galleries of varying heights, shapes, and characters. The final building will also contain a center for art and technology, a children's education facility, archives, a library, and a conservation laboratory. Number 2. Jeddah, Riyadh, and Mecca metros. In Saudi's first and second cities, alongside the country's holy city, construction is underway for metro systems to serve the city's growing population. In Riyadh, the first lines of the city's new metro system are set to open in 2022, with the remaining lines set to become fully operational in 2023. The system will include 6 main lines spanning 176 kilometers with 85 stations. Jeddah's new metro system will open in 2025, with 3 lines currently under development. The $60 billion project is being slated as an integrated urban master plan for the 23rd century. While in Mecca, its new public transport program will include a new metro system and bus network. A 4-line metro system will cover 180 kilometers and serve 88 stations. Due to complete in 6 phases over 20 years, the system will play an integral role in transporting the millions who visit the city each year to undertake Hajj and Umrah. Number 1. Etihad Rail is the UAE's new national rail network, with the goal of connecting the UAE to the Gulf Cooperation Council and Economic Union of 6 Arab states bordering the UAE, KSA, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, and Bahrain. The state-of-the-art network will form a vital part of the planned railway network across the GCC. Built in several stages, the railway will eventually stretch for 1 kilometers across the UAE. Stage 1 connecting Shah and Habshan to Ruwais was completed in January 2016. Stage 2 will connect Ruwais with Guwaifat on the UAE border with Saudi Arabia is underway. The railway will redefine logistics and transport in the region, providing a modern, safe, efficient, and sustainable network, and will act as a catalyst for economic growth and sustained social development. In your opinion, which of these projects will be the best in the Middle East? Share a comment with us. Thank you for following me. Subscribe to the channel and please like.